So let me show you step by step how to find PDF link in Google Drive. If you want to copy your PDF link, let me show you step by step how to do it. After you open your Google Drive like this, so the first thing you should do, you click on this My Drive. After you go to My Drive, then you click on this Type. So from this option, scroll to down and select these PDFs. So now it will give you all the PDFs that are available inside your Google Drive. So now here is the PDF. If I want to copy the link, I will right click and then go to this share button. So from there you can click on this share again. So from this option now you can give it an option to download the file. I'll just click on this. I'll select, let's say, this one, and make sure you choose this anyone with the link. So then you click on this copy and done. So now if you go and share the link, now the person that you share the link with him, the person can be able to download this PDF and can be able to view the PDF. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like, subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.